Behind me is the Vauxhall station over here, and we'll be travelling today from Kiev via train to Kharkiv. Let's see what the journey looks like and what the Ukrainian train service is like. Okay, so in the sort of waiting area now in the train station, there's a lot of people sitting down waiting, fairly social distance actually. Okay, so we know we're on platform 11 now, we've moved along a little bit closer. I don't think the train's there yet, so I'll stay here. We're close. Platform 8 and 9s are there. Behind me over there is platform 10 and 11, so that's where we are, and it's a long area of seating. Okay, so the train's here now on platform 11. I'm on the 8th carriage. So pretty much here. That's number 6, number 7. 8 should be along here. Here we are. Here we are. And that's number 8 there. That's where we're going. So this is what it looks like. Luggage rack's quite nice, good one there. Seems quite air conditioned. And oh look, they're getting the last smoke in before they get on the train. City of Kharkiv now. We'll be arriving in 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. And we'll just take a look at the Vauxhall or the station when we get there. People all arriving, thousands of people, straight out into the street then I think. We might see what the front of the station looks like. It's a beautiful sunny day, it's about 6:15 and 26 degrees. That's a lovely building. We're not going to see inside the station, I don't think. But as you can see, the facade of the station with these pillars, it's an incredibly good looking building. It's a fascinating structure. And there it is, that's the station at Kharkiv. The outside is fantastic. Unfortunately we didn't get to go inside. Well, first impressions of Kharkiv are that it's a very beautiful city with some fantastic architecture. And squares, park, a little bit of parkland here. And there's the fountains. It appears to be incredibly busy out here. There's tram lines I can see. Look in this direction. It's also very busy. There comes an old taxi, a Lada. Well, that's getting on a bit. That's certainly getting on a bit. Wow, a few old Soviet cars. So I don't see them so much in Kiev anymore. So we just want to get a taxi now to our Airbnb apartment, which we will be doing a viewing of. And that's it, we're now in Kharkiv. That's the journey. It isn't that difficult. I think anybody could do it if you wanted to. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, remember to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe.